Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Your Channel Name. I'm Your Name, and today, we have an exciting topic to dive into. We're going to explore the latest addition to WisdomTree's impressive suite of exchange-traded funds. Yes, we're talking about none other than the WisdomTree UK Quality Dividend Growth UCITS ETF. So, buckle up, because this is an investment opportunity you won't want to miss. But before we delve into the details, let's take a moment to appreciate the growing trend of investors seeking out dividend-paying companies with robust fundamentals. It's no secret that in today's dynamic market, having a portfolio with a focus on strong, reliable dividends can be a game-changer. Now, what makes this even more interesting is the specific focus on the UK market. We know the UK plays a pivotal role in the global economy, and WisdomTree has honed in on this with their recent listing on the London Stock Exchange. So, why is this significant? Well, that's what we're here to unpack today. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting, understanding the dynamics of this new ETF and its potential impact on your portfolio is crucial. Before we get into the nitty-gritty details, be sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. That way, you'll stay updated on all things finance, investments, and market trends. Now, let's jump into the WisdomTree UK Quality Dividend Growth UCITS ETF and see what makes it stand out in today's investment landscape. Now that we've set the stage, let's dive into the heart of the matter, the WisdomTree UK Quality Dividend Growth UCITS ETF. But first, a quick recap for those of you who might be new to WisdomTree. WisdomTree is renowned for its suite of equity ETFs that strategically target dividend-paying companies with robust fundamentals. These funds have carved a niche in the market, and today, we're shining a spotlight on their latest edition, the WisdomTree UK Quality Dividend Growth UCITS ETF. Now, what makes this ETF particularly intriguing is its focus on high-quality UK companies. But before we delve into the specifics, let's talk numbers. The expense ratio for this ETF is set at a competitive 0.29%. Making it an attractive option for investors looking for cost-effective exposure to the UK market. And here's an interesting tidbit: this ETF is listed in pound sterling on the London Stock Exchange, and you can find it under the ticker symbol UGRWLN. Now, why does this matter? Well, having it listed in pound sterling adds a layer of convenience for investors looking to navigate the UK market. It's all about providing you with the tools to make informed decisions. So, whether you're a seasoned investor or someone just dipping their toes into the world of ETFs, the WisdomTree UK Quality Dividend Growth UCITS ETF certainly seems like a promising addition. But let's not stop here. There's more to uncover about the methodology behind this ETF, so stick around as we peel back the layers. Before we move on, if you're finding this information valuable, don't forget to hit the like button and share it with your fellow investors. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty of how this ETF operates. Welcome back, everyone. Now, let's take a deep dive into the inner workings of the WisdomTree UK Quality Dividend Growth UCITS ETF. Understanding the methodology behind an ETF is crucial for investors, and this one is no exception. At the core of this ETF is the proprietary WisdomTree UK Quality Dividend Growth Index. It serves as the guiding force in selecting the companies that make it into the fund. So, how does it work? The index employs a meticulous screening process, considering factors such as market capitalization and trading volumes. This ensures that the selected companies are not only substantial players in the market but also possess the liquidity necessary for effective trading. But that's not all. WisdomTree takes it a step further by incorporating an ethical screen based on environmental, social, and governance (ESG) standards. This means the ETF isn't just about financial performance, it's about investing in companies that align with responsible and sustainable practices. And here's where it gets even more interesting. The WisdomTree UK Quality Dividend Growth UCITS ETF has earned an Article 8 classification under the European Union's Sustainable Finance Disclosure Regulation, or SFDR for short. Now, what does Article 8 mean? In essence, it classifies the ETF as a product that promotes environmental or social characteristics. This aligns perfectly with the growing demand for sustainable and responsible investment options. So, when you invest in this ETF, you're not just seeking financial returns, you're making a conscious choice to support companies that prioritize sustainability. It's a win-win situation for both your portfolio and the planet. But hold on, we're not done yet. There's more to unravel about the growth and quality factors that shape this ETF strategy. Stick around as we explore how WisdomTree separates the best from the rest. Now that we've uncovered the foundation of the WisdomTree UK Quality Dividend Growth UCITS ETF, let's explore the key factors that shape its investment strategy. This is where the rubber meets the road, and understanding these fundamental factors is crucial for any potential investor. The ETF strategy revolves around two pillars, growth and quality. And what's interesting is that each of these factors carries an equal weight of 50% in determining the aggregate factor score for each company in the fund. Let's start by breaking down the growth factor. This aspect is all about identifying companies with promising trajectories. WisdomTree considers sales growth, EBITDA growth, and consensus analyst estimates for long-term earnings growth. These indicators help paint a picture of a company's potential for future success and value creation. Now, let's shift our focus to the quality factor. Quality is a cornerstone of this ETF's approach, and it's assessed through two key metrics, return on equity, ROE, and return on assets, ROA. These metrics provide insights into a company's profitability and efficiency in utilizing its assets to generate returns. Here's the interesting part, while return on equity, ROE, is a widely used measure of profitability, WisdomTree goes a step further by also considering return on assets, ROA. Why? Because ROA provides a way to mitigate the impact of overleverage. By combining these metrics, the ETF ensures a comprehensive assessment of a company's sustainable earnings potential. So, in essence, when you invest in the WisdomTree UK Quality Dividend Growth UCITS ETF, you're putting your money into companies that not only show robust growth potential, but also maintain a high level of quality in their financial performance. But wait, there's more to explore. Stick around as we uncover how the index selects the top companies and assigns weights based on their aggregate cash dividends. It's all part of the intricate dance of creating a well-balanced and high-performing ETF. Now that we've explored the fundamental factors shaping the WisdomTree UK Quality Dividend Growth UCITS ETF, let's move on to the next stage, how the index selects its top companies and the methodology behind it. The index employs a rigorous process to sift through the market, selecting the top 100 companies with the highest multi-factor scores. These scores are derived from the growth and quality factors we discussed earlier. It's a meticulous approach aimed at ensuring the inclusion of companies with the most promising blend of growth potential and financial strength. But it doesn't end there. The WisdomTree UK Quality Dividend Growth UCITS ETF takes a unique approach to weighting. Companies are assigned weights based on their aggregate cash dividends paid over the prior year. This means that not only are you investing in companies with growth and quality, but also those that have a track record of distributing healthy dividends. And here's the cherry on top, the focus on sustainable earnings. By considering both growth and quality factors, and emphasizing cash dividends, the ETF is designed for investors with a forward-looking approach to dividend growth. It's not just about the present, it's about building a portfolio that stands the test of time. Having explored the fundamental factors of the WisdomTree UK Quality Dividend Growth UCITS ETF, let's now unravel how the index selects its top companies and the methodology behind it. The index employs a meticulous process to identify the top 100 companies with the highest multi-factor scores. These scores are derived from a comprehensive evaluation of growth and quality factors. It's a rigorous approach aimed at ensuring the inclusion of companies with a robust combination of growth potential and financial strength. The WisdomTree UK Quality Dividend Growth UCITS ETF takes a unique approach to weighting. Companies are assigned weights based on their aggregate cash dividends paid over the prior year. This means that investors are not only tapping into companies with growth and quality, but also those with a proven track record of distributing healthy dividends. The ETF's focus on sustainable earnings is a key highlight. By considering growth and quality factors and emphasizing cash dividends, it caters to investors with a forward-looking approach to dividend growth. It's about building a portfolio designed for longevity, not just short-term gains. Now, let's shift gears and discuss the benefits of adopting such a strategy. To shed light on this, let's draw insights from Pierre Debru, Head of Quantitative Research and Multi-Asset Solutions at WisdomTree. High-quality companies are known for their stability and resilience, even amid market volatility and economic downturns. These companies tend to have strong balance sheets, low debt levels, and robust cash flows. A quality-focused investment can make portfolios more resilient, helping investors build wealth over the long term and weather the inevitable storms along the way. As we conclude, consider the power of quality in your investment journey. The WisdomTree UK Quality Dividend Growth UCITS ETF isn't just about numbers, it's about crafting a resilient portfolio for your financial future. And there you have it, a deep dive into the WisdomTree UK Quality Dividend Growth UCITS ETF. Let's quickly recap the key points we've covered today. We explored the meticulous methodology behind this ETF, from the selection of top companies to the weighting based on aggregate cash dividends. The focus on sustainable earnings and a forward-looking approach to dividend growth sets this ETF apart. Now, for those eager to explore further, WisdomTree offers a comprehensive range of quality dividend growth UCITS ETFs. Whether you're eyeing the US, Eurozone, or global equity markets, there's an option tailored for you. Before you go, don't forget to hit the like button if you found this information valuable. Share it with your fellow investors, and if you haven't already, subscribe to our channel for more investment insights and updates. Your journey into informed investing doesn't end here. Explore, learn, and make those strategic decisions that will shape your financial future. Thanks for joining us today, and until next time, happy investing.